Hi, I'm so happy to see you back because I have been away from YouTube to write my book. And because you can imagine that making videos takes a lot of time and also some consideration, I have now made a little break to just put all my energy into my book because I want it to be really great. So today I want to give you a very quick update on my life and what I've been doing, and also let you know how you can participate in my book. What is it with the book? What kind of book am I writing? I'm writing a book on my method, but it's a little bit wider, the topic, and also a little bit narrower because it's called Pussy Yoga. So with this title, it's been already a controversy on my Facebook channel. I really want to know what you think about it. Let me know in the comments. And basically, I'm talking about my method, so how you can connect your pelvic floor with the rest of your body, with your sensuousness, and enjoy an amazing life. Really connect to yourself, get to know yourself from the inside out, and also have an amazing sex life. Because sex and orgasms all feed into the natural well-being that we all crave and we want to have. So we all want to feel more alive, be more present, be more in our power, be more radiant, be more, just like creative and really do what we want to do and not just feel somehow a little bit like distant from our life. And I have been feeling distant from my life since I can remember, because I had a tough childhood and I really left my body at many events in my life, and it's really still for me so hard to get into my body and live in this beautiful creature. This is what I'm working on constantly, and fortunately a lot of women also are interested in this. So I started teaching this when I started first teaching belly dance. And so this is all how my method develops. I write more about it in my book. And yes, it's a beautiful book. It comes with beautiful illustration by Heike Kmiotek. I will also link her below so you can check her out. And I'm very excited because I have put all my knowledge into this one book to really make it a full, comprehensive fountain of everything that I believe you should know about how to connect to yourself deeply, and you also get all the science connected with it. This was also amazing for me to really pick everything together and also dive into new research that has been done that I didn't know yet, and really bring everything together so it really is a beautiful work of art. And I already found I have at least 2 more books inside myself that need to get out. But first relax and just get this one out. And how can you contribute to the book? So I have already some very interesting case studies that I would like to put into the book. I'm still talking with the publisher how we can do it and to which extent and what would be really nice and readable and inspiring. And if you have ever been inspired or profoundly changed by my method, whether you have been in workshops, maybe you have done my teacher training, or you have just done the videos or the DVD or the Essence online training, if you have ever felt a profound change in your life, and especially because this is called Pussy Yoga, so we focus on everything pussy, in your life, in your love life and your relationships, please let me know. And of course, not only if you want to be included in the book, and if you want to be included in the book, just write a short note that you would like to be included in the book, and also like your name, where you come from, your age, because I still don't know what information we will put with the little stories. So maybe it will be just a name. If you want to put it anonymous, you can also write, yeah, I want this story to be heard, but please don't use my name. Just get in touch with us. The book will be out in German first, because the publisher who approached me to write the book was a German publisher. But I will also be looking for an English-speaking publisher in the UK or in the USA. If you might have any connections, just connect with me and we'll figure everything out, how to do it. Otherwise, whatever, anyway, you will have to wait a little longer until it comes out in English. So the German release date is May 2018. It's already on Amazon, so if you want you can pre-order. I will put a link also down below. And publisher already, because you know what happened. I, like every creative person, I thought, oh my god, I'm not ready yet to put it out. I need more time for research. So I asked the publisher if I can still a little bit extend my deadline because I need more time. And then they said, oh no, Coco, we can't. You have already so much pre-orders. Like everybody's waiting and so excited for the book. And this was really my kick in the ass. And now I am so happy that I did it. And then I'm even finishing earlier than I thought, because I made myself some little deadlines, and until now I got everything done, and my idea is to finish 2 weeks earlier before I have my finished deadline, and I'm really on a good way. So something really interesting. So, but if you want to stay in touch and if you want to know when I release the English version, please join any of my newsletters. I will put a link below where you can enter your name and email and you will be notified. So I guess that's it. Now I will be going back to writing because somebody has to finish the book, and I'm so excited about this. So, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I always answer everything and I love to read everything that you write. And yes, see you in the next video. Bye! And just in case you can't wait until my book comes out in German or English, you can also download my Sensuous Dance Workout, because it already contains a lot of my work. So go there, get it, let's connect over there. I also have Facebook groups for everything, and you can talk with me, ask me any questions, everything pelvic floor, sensuality related. And I'm so happy to connect with you. Bye!